to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Soda Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda. Dive into the level you want to play. Tap on play, then after. Over here you can see I have 10 lollipop. You can use any one of it whenever required. How do you use it is by tapping on it like this and tap wherever you want to tap on the game. It will not use any move. It doesn't cost any move so you can start your game again like this. You can use this. Doesn't cost you any move. Your moves will not be lost, so you can again start playing. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.